In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the exact same WhatsApp account here on multiple phones. If you do find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout the duration of this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But if you don't know, here on an iPhone, WhatsApp only does allow one main account in the app. So if you do want to switch phones, you'll need to delete and reinstall WhatsApp to go ahead and set it up again. On Android, though, you can add multiple accounts. You just need to tap these three dots that are up in the top right corner, go into your settings, and then tap plus at the bottom down here, and you'll be able to just select add account. But whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, you can also use the companion device option. On the phone where you do want to add WhatsApp, you'll want to open up the app and then go to the three dots and then go into settings if you're on Android or directly into settings if you're on an iPhone. And there's going to be an option that does say link devices right here. Simply select it and then hit link device. And it's going to pull up with an option that looks like this. And on the other device, you'll have the option to scan a QR code. Go ahead and scan that QR code, which is going to be this one right over here by your settings. And boom, your WhatsApp account is now going to be able to be used on multiple phones. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.